So imagine two things are happening. One, let me make the font bigger. I happen to have a journal entry in Excel. Typically, it's going to look like this: account, debit, credit, description, name, location, and class. And also, let's also work under the assumption that your account names match QuickBooks and your description matches QuickBooks and the name, all this stuff actually matches QuickBooks. Okay. And you want to have your journal entry go from here to um, from Excel to QuickBooks. Now I'm just gonna do a couple of things here. I'm gonna add a bunch of different things in here. That way we have just different information coming in throughout. So I'm gonna copy the data from this journal entry. I'm gonna copy account name, debit, credit, description, name, location, class. I can go all the way down and just seriously copy a significant amount. But I'm just gonna do this group here to see, so you can see it. So I'm gonna hit a copy. And then I'm going to come in here, and there's not right click paste because that wouldn't work. Okay. Because it would just think you're pasting the entire thing into one cell. So we're going to come up here to this right tool option that looks like it's kind of like a paste icon. Click on that. And then what this will do, and you just have to have a little bit of patience. When you click on that, right tool goes through a cycle, and it goes through, okay, what are my names? What are my accounts? What are my classes? What are my locations? And it puts it in a sort of verification system in the back end. Then this screen, this is a right tool screen, has a little box that says paste here. You have to right click and paste in there. And then it will do a check. It would say, hey, I want to just make sure before I start pasting that these accounts and these names and these classes and these locations actually match my database, because many times people will just type random things in Excel and try to paste it in there. And if they don't match exactly, it's just not going to work. It's not going to like try to make something work. It needs to be very precise. And you have to skip account numbers. You can't put the account numbers in there. Okay? It needs to be just the account names. Or does it work with just the account numbers, or it has to be?
It does work with just the account numbers. So you could use only account numbers.
Okay, yeah, that's the trick. So either just the account number or the account name with a sub account, which is really where things get tripped up, with a sub account cleanly in there. And then you click on run it. And then what happens is, and I don't know if you noticed before, it's done. It's ready, right?